DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE arrives as a more budget-friendly option within the DREAME Aqua10 Roller lineup, while still packing many of the flagship technologies that make the series stand out. Equipped with AquaRoll freshwater mopping technology, industry-first Carpet-Safe AutoSeal roller guard, powerful 30,000 Pascal suction, and a fully hands-free power dock, this premium robot vacuum is designed to deliver deeper cleaning with less day-to-day maintenance. From continuously spraying fresh water onto the roller mop during cleaning, to 212°F hot water self-cleaning and hot air drying, the Aqua10 Roller AE feels like DREAME's latest attempt to completely rethink how robot mopping should work in modern homes. Special thanks to DREAME for sponsoring today's video. Be sure to check out the link in the video description to learn more. One of the biggest highlights is the AquaRoll freshwater mopping system itself. Instead of dragging around a dirty mop pad throughout the house, the Aqua10 Roller AE continuously sprays fresh water directly onto the roller while simultaneously collecting dirty water during cleaning. This creates a much cleaner mopping process overall and helps prevent spreading grime around your floors. DREAME also pairs this with the massive 270mm ultra-wide roller mop and auto-extending technology that allows the mop to reach closer to edges, corners, and walls for improved cleaning coverage throughout the home. Carpet handling is another area where the DREAME Aqua10 Roller AE introduces something unique. DREAME calls it the world's first Carpet-Safe AutoSeal roller guard. Before crossing onto carpet, the system automatically seals the roller mop completely to prevent any moisture transfer onto carpet fibers. Combined with intelligent carpet strategies like automatic mop lifting, carpet suction boost, tassel avoidance, and dedicated carpets then floor cleaning sequences, the robot is designed to handle mixed floor homes much more intelligently while helping keep carpets dry and protected. Vacuuming performance is impressive on paper with up to 30,000 pascals of Vormax suction power. That places the Aqua10 Roller AE among some of the most powerful robot vacuums currently available, giving it the ability to handle everything from fine dust to large debris and pet hair on both hard floors and carpets. DREAME also includes its HyperStream Duo Brush system, which combines separate brush designs for hard floors and carpets while delivering strong detangling performance for both the main brush and side brush. For pet owners or homes with long hair, that could significantly reduce one of the biggest maintenance frustrations with robot vacuums. The self-cleaning system is also extremely advanced. After cleaning, the roller mop automatically washes itself using true 212°F hot water to help dissolve grease, remove stubborn dirt, and reduce odors. Hot air drying follows afterward to restore the fluffiness of the mop fibers and help keep the system cleaner between runs. DREAME pairs all of this with its multifunctional power dock, which can automatically empty the dustbin for up to 100 days, while also handling automatic water refills and solution management for a more hands-free ownership experience overall. Edge cleaning has also received major attention here. The Aqua10 Roller AE uses both an auto-extending roller mop and extending side brush to improve cleaning coverage along walls, edges, and corners where many robots typically struggle. DREAME claims 100% edge and corner coverage, while the roller mop itself can extend outward by up to 1.57 inches to close cleaning gaps near walls and furniture. Navigation and mobility are powered through dual laser obstacle avoidance along with DREAME's Easy Leap obstacle climbing system. The robot can cross thresholds up to 4 centimeters high, helping it move more freely between rooms without getting stuck on transitions or door tracks. The system also supports fast mapping, multi-floor mapping for up to 4 maps, Matter protocol integration, and voice assistant support for a more connected smart home experience. DREAME continues to position itself as one of the leading innovators in smart home cleaning technology, and the Aqua10 Roller AE showcases exactly why. Between the freshwater roller mopping system, powerful 30,000 Pascal suction, advanced carpet protection technology, fully automated dock, and zero tangle brush system, this model brings many of the standout features from the Aqua10 series into a more affordable package. For anyone looking for a highly automated robot vacuum focused on true freshwater mopping performance, while also saving a bit of money compared to the higher end models, the Aqua10 Roller AE looks like a very compelling option.